Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com, making this a small video after a while. So let's get started. Not too many trades as my kids were sick this week, so I wasn't able to pay full attention. But anyway, still five or six trades. So let's get started. This is pound Uzi on the 21st, and this is the one that EUR-AUD short on the 21st as well. And on the 22nd, this is the only one I have, pound USD, and actually this continue on to the next day as well. And on the 23rd, this is basically USD yen short, and there was another one. Okay, pound USD continuation from the 22nd, and this is the one of the Aussie yen. Okay, and also all the yen pair went down, but I just caught Aussie yen and USD yen. Yen is keep getting strong, so this is it. These are the trades that I had this week only. Okay, and like I said, the kids were sick, so I wasn't able to pay full attention. So I'm gonna be making another video after this about the gold. Okay, my analysis and what has happened and what will happen, what are the chances. So that would be the next video. I will probably make that in an hour or so from now on. For this one, this is it, and hopefully I will make that video and send out also. So this is it for now, and have a wonderful weekend, the rest of it, right? Today is Saturday, Sunday starting, and then tomorrow obviously Sunday, and the market will open at 4 o'clock. So hope to have a wonderful new trading week next week. Bye for now, and talk to you guys later.